What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, we have another install for the STI. Today we're going to be installing a custom splitter, and this has been something that's been really long overdue. I was actually going to do it a couple of months ago, but then you guys know my lip broke, so it really delayed everything and I just kind of put it aside. But today we finally have it. This is the splitter right here guys, and honestly I am so impressed with the way that everything came out, from the side fins to the actual splitter itself. It's just all really good quality, and it looks like Contender really took his time building this, which I really appreciate. If you guys don't know who Contender is, make sure you go follow him on Instagram and check out his work. He can make anything from custom splitters, custom diffusers, custom side skirt extensions, custom canards, anything you want that has to do with aero. I'm sure he can make it happen for you guys. He's honestly very skilled at what he does, and I am so excited for this splitter. I can't wait to throw it on. So first things first, we got to take the front bumper off, which is such a hassle, but it has to be done. That way we can easily install the splitter. I'm gonna try and line it up to see how it's actually gonna fit. Let's see. That's just to give you guys an idea of how it's gonna fit. It actually sticks out quite a bit. So here's a closer look at how the splitter is gonna fit. As you guys can see, it's gonna stick out like a good 2 inches, maybe a little bit more, but I think I'm happy with it. I like it. Now there is one thing that I am worried about. Like I said, because I broke my lip, the bottom side of it does not sit flush like it used to. So as you can see, there's a gap right there. There's a gap right there. And this isn't very flexible anymore because this is all fiberglass now. So I'm not sure if it's gonna crack when I try and drill through it. Hopefully it doesn't, but I also don't want to have gaps. So hopefully we can figure something out there. Yo, that's super aggressive. Damn. I was actually not gonna run the side fins. It just wasn't really my style, but I wanted to do something a little more edgy. So I ended up going with them, and honestly I think I'm really gonna like them. That is crazy though. Check out how far the splitter sticks out. Obviously it's not measured yet. It's pretty spot on, but it's not correct just yet. But that's just to give you guys an idea of how it's gonna look. Now that I'm done measuring everything, I'm gonna go ahead and tape off the edges. That way I know where the front of the bumper sits, and then I'll probably tape off the inside so I know where the back of the bumper sits, and then we can start drilling. All right, so this is a really bad way of doing it, but it honestly works for me. I lined up all of the bolts where I want them, and then I just put a piece of tape by it. That way I know exactly where to drill. And like I said, I put tape on the inside as well, so I know how big the gap is where the bumper actually sits. So I think now that we got all this done, I think it's time to drill. Hello?
The drill bits and everything though.
No, I have one. Come look at this though. Tell me what you think. But check these out.
Ooh. Right here. Is it already on?
It's not on yet, like completely. And here, I'll put this one on. What do you think?
It is hella aggressive.
That's what I was saying earlier. I was like, it sticks out quite a bit. I got all the holes drilled through the splitter and through the bumper. So I drilled them through the splitter first, and then based off those holes, I just followed them through all the way through the bumper. Now we can go ahead and start putting all the hardware through just like that right there. So we got the actual splitter all mounted up. It's all bolted down. Looks really good. Now it's time to add the side fins to the side to finish it off, and then we can go ahead and install it. So side fins are on. Now it's time to throw it on the car and see how it looks. I'm honestly really digging it, but we'll see how it looks on the car. Damn, I'm excited. So let me know what you guys think about the splitter. The only thing now is, see how aggressive the front looks? The rear and the side of the car do not match it at all. The reason I really thought that I needed a splitter is because my lip is obviously molded and it's color matched to the car. Usually I like the contrast of like the black with the color of the car, and obviously I couldn't do that with my lip. So a splitter was something that was definitely needed in my opinion. And like Ongo said, these side fins are probably my favorite thing. I'm so glad that I actually went with these, because at the beginning I wasn't so sure about running them, but overall I think it came out really, really nice. I gotta be extra careful because the splitter does make it sit a little bit lower, and I already used to scrape like crazy everywhere. Looking at it out here now, I definitely need to do something about the side and the rear of the car, because now the front is just even more aggressive than it used to be. And I know I said that I was gonna do a diffuser first, but a diffuser would be about 800 bucks more than I paid for the splitter. So definitely in the future though, we're gonna get a diffuser and something on the side skirts, maybe a different side skirt, I'm not sure yet. You guys already know, since we got a new splitter on the car, we have to do it justice and wash the STI. I'm honestly so in love with it. I love how it made the front end a lot more aggressive, and like my favorite part about it is that it sticks out wide enough to where it meets the tire, and it almost sits like flush to the tire. It's sick. Check it out guys, now that the car is 100% clean, the splitter looks so much better. Hell yeah. Now we can go finish off the day and take some pictures of the car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, let me know what you think about the new splitter. I am absolutely loving it. It just looks so good. It brought out the front end so much better now. I love it. Thank you, Contender, dude. You did an awesome job on the splitter. See you guys next time. Peace out.